Welcome to your new home in Sugar Mill Woods. Enter through stunning leaded beveled front doors to this comfortable 3-bedroom great room home. Vaulted ceilings, LVP or laminate floors throughout, and nice open floor plan all situated on a .32 lot. Sliders from the great room pocket behind the wall, leading to large extended lanai with plank tile floors and an outdoor shower. Kitchen has one small pantry plus a 5.3 by 6.6 pantry area, used to be the laundry room. Washer, dryer, and laundry sink are in the garage. Master has slider to lanai and 2 walk-in closets. Master bath features 2 sinks, a garden tub, and separate shower. Beautiful dense greenbelt in back. Brand new roof, August 2025, with the leaf filters for the gutters. HVCA replaced 2020.